Hey y'all, look here. I got a river, the moon, a sunset, a heron, and I got gumbo. Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here, it's time for some gumbo. That's right, gumbo. It's getting cold, and you can see our sweatshirt is getting cold. Alright, so let's do it. I don't have a lot of daylight left. Alright, we've got chicken, we've got sausage, we've got the holy trinity. There's my roux. It's a dry roux. That's what I found out about. We can do gumbo now. We got my roux. There's my dry seasonings and my garlic. We got chicken broth, parsley, onions, and we're going to serve it with some rice. Matter of fact, I think my water's boiling for my rice now. Got boiling water, half a cup of rice, just under a half a cup of water. That's how we do the instant rice in the freezer bag. It's just under 1 to 1. We're going to put that in a koozie, let it do its thing while we make the gumbo. I've already got oil in the pan. Let's go in with the Holy Trinity. Oh yeah. And if you're not up on that, the Holy Trinity is a onion, green bell pepper, and celery. They say that's the perfect set of vegetables that God gave us. Alright, we need to start getting my roux ready. Now, at home, for this roux, I dry baked some flour until it turned into cinnamon, or cinnamon colored. And then you can take that to camp with you and make a roux. So I need like a 1/4 cup of stock. Put it in there, and we're just going to start incorporating that cold stock with the roux. And if we don't incorporate the cold stock with the flour first, it'll clump up on us when we go to cook it. And I've never done this before, y'all. I just found out about this dry roux process, and I was like, man, that'll make doing stuff like this at camp so easy. So I made this roux. I dry baked this at home like 3 days ago. And honestly, I pre-cut those vegetables and put them in a baggie 2 days ago. Now they haven't got up much over about, I don't know, 50 or 60 degrees. Now, since we're not going to have time to let this just hang out and cook for hours and hours, I've got a smoked sausage. I found this at QT. Look how fat that bad boy is. It's like my finger. And I found this chicken breast that's smoked. So we can get a little smoke flavor from the chicken and the sausage. You see that? It's that same chocolate brown that you get when you spend an hour with the oil and the flour on the stove. And since I'm using this little sausage here, I'm cutting it across like this at a 90 so I can expose more of the fat and whatnot to the pan. I was kind of excited when I saw these big fat snack sausages because that gives me something big enough to cook with at camp. In a single serving size. Let's go ahead and get the dry seasonings in. Now gumbo is all about the roux. You need this. Jambalaya, that's a rice dish. Now the rice for this is just an accompaniment. Another good one would be to use some instant mashed potatoes, because they serve this with potato salad a lot also. Instant mashed potatoes would be easy on the trail. Y'all want to see that? Now I'm cooking on that biofuel. All right, let's put this roux in. Is that starting to look like the gumbo, you know? All right, let's put a little green onion in there. And you know what else? I almost forgot. We need the bay leaf. Get that guy in there. Get in there, bay leaf. Go ahead and get that guy down there. We can get some flavor going. And I need my little garlic bomb. That's about a clove's worth of minced garlic. Y'all ever watch Justin Wilson? That's gonna be good, I guarantee. I'm pretty sure I just licked garlic juice off of my fingers. I gotta taste a little piece of this chicken. Oh yeah, it's nice. Got a little hot chicken stock. A little parsley. Ooh. Missing my pan, y'all. A little sprinkle of parsley in there. And you know, if you're carb free in it, you know, this is it. Soup's on, eat. Get a little. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna let that sit there and cook for about 10 minutes. You can just let that guy hang out and reduce at camp. Oh man. Sorry about the dog, guys. Oh, gals. Y'all know when I say guys, it's universal, don't you? This dry roux is incredible. Look at that, y'all. I mean, really. If it wasn't going to get dark on me, I would just let this guy hang out for like 20 minutes and let everything mingle and the flavors develop. But we're going to need to serve it up here in a second so we can eat. It's already awesome. Look at there, y'all. I think had just enough water in there. Let's see here. Oh yeah, she's done. She's good instant rice, y'all. So we're gonna have a hunk for my bowl and a hunk for the bowl I'm taking home to Mama Bear. Hey, y'all check this out. It's taking a few minutes. Look at that boil action. Oh yeah. Man, this is some gumbo goodness. Let's get this bay leaf out of here. We're going to put a little fresh green onion on there. There's a bowl of happiness for you. This biofuel stuff's not bad, y'all. There you go. You see the river back there behind me? It's appropriate for gumbo, right? Maybe I'll have to come back down here to do my seafood gumbo. Here we go. We got some chicken and some sausage and the roux. Man, you just can't get that in a freeze-dried bag. Look here, we'll see you on the trail. My mouth was full. Look here, you just can't get that in a bag. You just can't get that in a freeze-dried bag. We'll see you on the trail. Check it out, y'all. Y'all see the moon? You see the moon? It's coming out over the river. The sun hadn't quite gone down yet. I'm just gonna let you enjoy that for a second. Oh, wait. Let's see if we can go down a little bit. Hey, y'all look here. Right there. See the bird? The crane, the heron, got the moon.